Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to compare Lendingclub with Ally, Chime, and Sofi. Here's how you can run side-by-side comparisons with Lendingclub against these other apps. Let me show it to you. So the first step is to list the key features that you care about. So checking accounts, APY, savings APY, fees, ATM access, overdraft protections, and loan options. Just list out all the features that you care about. Next is to open Lendingclub's reward checking page and note its APY, its monthly fees, and cashback debit rewards, and be sure to write these down. Next is to visit Ally's website, check its online savings APY, no fees checking, and overdraft rules, and be sure to record the numbers. Step 4 is to check Chime. Note their fee-free overdrafts up to $200, early direct deposits, and a lack of physical branches, and add all of these details to your list. Step 5 is to review Sofi. Look at their high yield checking and savings bundles, their cashback cards, and of course the welcome bonuses. Final step is to compare them. So just create a simple chart with banks as columns and features as rows. Highlight which one best matches your goals, whether it's higher APY, stronger budgeting tools, or broader services. This side-by-side method makes your choice pretty clear. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.